Please buckle up your seatbelts for this. Diddy's trial just took a wild turn. 4 new witnesses popped up, and they painted a hell of a damning picture of Diddy. If they framed him as a man deep in sex, power, and violence. It ain't gonna help Diddy. David James, his former assistant, said he walked away from Diddy after seeing him grab 3 guns to roll up on Suge Knight. Interesting story, if nothing else. Said it felt like a hit was about to go down. Then Cassie's own mom, Regina Ventura, told the court Diddy threatened to leak sex tapes of Cassie if she didn't pay up $20,000. She even snapped photos of bruises on Cassie. And it didn't stop there. A male stripper named the Punisher, Jesus, said he was hired for as many as 12 free golfs with Cassie and Diddy. He didn't see violence, but said those sex parties were real, they were organized, and they were constant. Feds also showed off what they found when they raided Diddy's Miami home, the mansion. They found AR-15s, they found baby oil, they found sex toys, and they found, this is the one that's really going to be rough, guns with scratched off serial numbers. That's a problem. The real case, the case that got us here, it's about sex trafficking. Prosecutors say escorts were flown across state lines just to have sex with Diddy. And that, I mean, honestly, that's all they need to get him under the Mann Act. So I think they got Diddy dead to rights. It's just a question of whether there's going to be jury nullification or whether the prosecutor just, lightens up given the context. Anyway, next up, more from the feds and testimony from Kid Cudi himself, who Cassie was dating when everything hit the fan, whose car mysteriously blew up when, it was made clear that she was dating him. I mean, it's going to be explosive, the testimony, and I think we're going to get a lot of gossip, a lot of behind the scenes stuff that may or may not be central to the ultimate disposition of this case, but it's going to keep people coming back. The prosecution knows what they're doing. They know that Diddy's an awful person. He's a monster. And so they're like, we're going to just keep reminding you of a monstrous shit so that when it comes time to make a choice about reasonable doubt, you will have less doubt because of who he is. I'm not going to get into the whole legal part of it because I'm not a lawyer. But what I will say is I understand both sides' strategy. I'm just not sure if it'll prevail for the defense because, by the letter of the law, it looks like they got and did the rights already.